Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is a great idea from my good friends at PFL in Montana. This is a self-promotional piece and I think you're really going to like it. It's really well engineered. It's got a great concept. I love how it works. It's actually, this is a folded self mailer, but it looks exactly like an oversized envelope mailer. So there's a window here for the address. It's got a fun puzzle theme. On the outside, full color printing. This actually has a zip strip, which I already kind of broke open and opened it for everybody. But anyway, you zip it open and then it folds down like this. And this is actually a cross fold. And so this piece deconstructs, so you go from being an envelope to this kind of large cross fold, and there's an insert inside as well, so it becomes kind of a natural carrier because of that, and that also helps because you've got the window for the address. And this has this whole puzzle theme as well, and once you get reading you realize there are some mysterious puzzle pieces that are perfed in here for you to remove. So there's a few of them. I actually think there's, let's see, there's 4. So this is fun because then you realize you have a puzzle to put together. So I'm going to take all 4 pieces out and so you can see here. And then I'm going to ruin the surprise for everybody because I'm going to put them together for you. But it says, make your brand memorable. And this is all about using strategy and creative formats and everything together. And ultimately, as I said, it's a self-promo piece, so it's about their services and it's about creating engaging print. So really cool. This is a wonderful silky gloss cover, about 80 pound. These are, die cut, score, insert, glue of fold and glue, of course. But just brilliant engineering, creative concept that's very interactive. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Puzzled envelope cross fold. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. And viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folding ideas, downloads, and templates. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.